Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life after I found a
Buhay! My name is Daisy Colin Locson, and for today's video, I will discuss examples of the different patterns. Stay tuned. So when we say mathematics in the modern world, it deals with the nature of mathematics appreciations, its practical, intellectual, and aesthetic dimension and applications of mathematics tools in our daily life. So what are the patterns of the nature and what is patterns? So when we say patterns, is regular, repeated, or recurring forms of designs. So patterns in nature are visible regularities of form is found in our natural world. So these patterns recur in different contexts and can sometimes be modeled mathematically. For instance, so our environment, building, the patterns of your floor, tiles, and even your nerves and brains. So everything is surrounded with pattern. Number one, symmetry. It is what? Balance or mirror. So an example of that example of symmetry is the face of my cat. It can also be the face of yours if your face is symmetric. Number two, fractal. When we say fractal, even though that you will cut it into half, it will stay the same, but the size is not. For instance, the tree. You will cut the branch of the tree, but it will still resemble the tree. So an example of that is the roots of an example for fractal. I choose the crack of our spiral. When we say spiral, it is a sequence, equation, and algorithm. Example for spiral is the design of the cover of our table. Dots and stripes. An example of that is a leaf. An example of spots is the Christmas light, a yellow one that brings light to the dark. On the list is desolations. When we say desolation or tilling, is when we cover a surface with a pattern of flat shape so that there are no lumps or gaps. Thicker that in our floor. It has no. Task number two, a profession that use calculation or maths in their specific fields. Their field. Financial analyst. When you say financial analyst, they are the one who analyze financial data to help business and individual make informed decisions about investment and spending. They are the advisor of the bank.